These have to be empty. This is opposite now. This empty, this empty. Don't let water be on this because you don't want to. Then you have to close it. You see, I close it. And once in a while, you rotate this too. It helps.
Mom.
Emma, be nice.
So
So this thing I close, I'm going to release it. You can put pressure a little bit so she doesn't have gas. She doesn't have gas. If it has gas, you'll be hearing that means there's a lot of gas there. So she doesn't have gas. Yeah, she doesn't have gas. Okay, put that. So this is gonna go back because this is from our stomach. We don't waste it. Excuse me. Then in case it's not going back, you use this to push a little bit. Or you close this so you don't push too here.
No.
No, you know you're disturbing us, right? See, all gone back. Because that thing is coming from our tummy, it's our food. We don't waste it. So that's it, that's how to bend. In case if the food go all the way here, it's okay. Just make sure you give it back to her. You push this a little bit, the food will go back, and that's it. Hey, listen, excuse us. Thank you, ma. Good girl. That's my girl. Good job, mommy.